Hello everybody. Thank you for attending this Ichimoku Trading Strategies webinar. Today we have the opportunity and the privilege to talk about the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, its different elements, and how they come together to point you in the direction of profits. At the end of this webinar series, you will be able to find profitable trades using the Ichimoku trading system, identify low risk and high reward trades, maximize profits and minimize losses, and build confidence in trading decisions. Whether you are a new trader who is looking for a good system to begin your trading journey, or an experienced trader who would like to improve his trading results, Ichimoku Kinko Hyo will help you improve. The Ichimoku Trading Strategies webinar is made for individuals who are interested in becoming more effective stock market traders. It discusses and applies the Ichimoku trading system that will guide the learner in finding trade setups that have high probability of success. You will learn the Ichimoku trading system, its components, and the effective utilization of tools for more profitable trades. This webinar series is divided into 5 parts. Part 1 is an introduction to Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. Lesson 1, what is Ichimoku Kinko Hyo? Lesson 2, what is equilibrium? Part 2 talks about the elements of the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo system. Lesson 1, the Tenkan-sen. Lesson 2, the Kijun-sen. Lesson 3, the Chikou span. Lesson 4, the Senkou span A. Lesson 5, the Senkou span B. And Lesson 6, the Kumo. Part 3 discusses the Ichimoku signals. Lesson 1, crossovers for entry and exit. Lesson 2, Kumo breakout trades. Lesson 3, Kumo twists. Part 4 discusses how you can use Ichimoku Kinko Hyo for different trading strategies. Lesson 1, how to set price targets. Lesson 2, trend following. Lesson 3, bounce plays. Lesson 4, multiple time frame analysis. Part 5 discusses how you can use Ichimoku with other tools. Lesson 1, using Ichimoku with technical indicators. Lesson 2, using Ichimoku with the Fibonacci ratio. Lesson 3, some trade examples. Part 1, an introduction to Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. Ichimoku Kinko Hyo is a trading system developed by a Japanese journalist named Goichi Hosoda. He spent 30 years trying to perfect the system and then released it to the public in 1968. Hosoda believed that market action is a reflection on the dynamic of human behavior. This human behavior is based on the human being's tendency to move away and towards equilibrium in their lives. This system had been used extensively in Asian trading rooms and successfully used in forex, commodities, stocks, and other markets. But it did not become popular in the West until the 1990s. It is only in the 21st century that Western traders are beginning to understand the power of this charting system. Ichimoku Kinko Hyo translates to one glance equilibrium chart. Ichimoku means glance, Kinko means equilibrium, and Hyo means chart. One glance at the Ichimoku chart will give you an immediate understanding of the sentiment based on where prices are in relation to the Ichimoku elements. Ichimoku Kinko Hyo is a powerful trend-based technical analysis method. Through its different elements, it answers the following questions. What is the market sentiment? What are the areas of support and resistance? What is the direction of the trend? What is the strength of the price momentum? And how strong are the trading signals? The Ichimoku chart provides a clear picture of how current prices relate to past and future price action. The Chikou span, the green line, references current price action with the past 26 periods. The Tenkan-sen, the blue line, compares current prices with respect to the equilibrium in the past 9 periods. The Kijun-sen, the red line, compares current price with the past 26 periods. The Kumo tells you future price action by referencing the price equilibrium for the past 26 and 52 periods. This makes Ichimoku the only indicator that is both lagging and leading at the same time. Lesson 2, all about equilibrium. The markets are dictated by the law of supply and demand. When the supply equals demand, it is in a state of equilibrium. But sometimes, the demand is higher than the supply for a particular market. When this happens, the price shoots up because sellers are less willing to let go of their shares, while the buyers are willing to pay more to get hold of those shares. When the market gets disrupted in this way, you get disequilibrium. So the market goes back and forth between the state of equilibrium and disequilibrium. This is the backbone of the concept of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. An important facet of Ichimoku is that it is based on a set of rules. You have to follow those rules so that you will be able to trade based on a system. That discipline keeps you from being emotional about your trades. Many times, traders jump into moving trades without any plan at all just because of the fear of missing out. That is not the best way to get into a trade. This is not trading, but pure gambling. But if you have a set of rules to follow, you would not have to fall prey to that. As a trader, we must look for that most profitable trade with the highest rewards and the lowest risk. This means that we do not get into every single trade opportunity. But you have to have the skills and the knowledge to find these profitable setups. By mastering the Ichimoku system, you are the master of the trade. You are able to look into the past, present, and future direction of the market. The Ichimoku Kinko Hyo system is a standalone system. It could be used effectively on its own. It works in most markets, including the stock market, the commodities market, and the forex market. Ichimoku could also be used in different time frames. However, the higher time frames are always more reliable. The support and resistance levels on the weekly chart, for example, are stronger than the support and resistance levels for lower time frames like the daily chart. The Ichimoku Kinko Hyo system is best for medium to long-term strategies and is therefore not suitable for scalpers and day traders. Thank you for watching part 1 of this Ichimoku Kinko Hyo webinar series. Please don't forget to check out part 2, the elements of the Ichimoku system.